My name is John, and I would love to record the voiceover for your explainer, whiteboard, or screencasting video. All rights are included in the price. Check out my demo. AllTrails Pro helps you explore the outdoors with confidence. Know what to expect with premium map layers and real-time overlays, including air quality, heat maps, and satellite weather. Create custom trail maps in seconds to download or share with friends. You've decided it's time to buy a home. Great! So what's your first step? Get financing. Many home buyers will go to their local bank or credit union and speak to a loan officer. The second option is to speak to a mortgage broker that contracts with multiple financial institutions. What is a mechanical ventilator? And why would we need to place a patient on it? A mechanical ventilator is a life support machine that breathes for the patient. It can assume all of the work of breathing or some of the work of breathing. In other words, it can provide full or partial respiratory support.